One, go. Welcome back guys to a bit of everything channel. In today's video we will be unboxing the new LG CordZero vacuum cleaner. Oh, it's not really new itself, but it is a premium portable vacuum cleaner. So you can, there we are, just bring that up there. That's what the vacuum itself looks like. So the LG CordZero is meant to go against more of the higher standards of the Dyson vacuums as well. So this goes for around about $780 out there on the market, and so with a price like that, it does have a lot of cool features, and it's very light and very ergonomic as well, from what I've heard. Alright. So let's open up the box. As we can see itself, it comes in a small rectangular box, so you know that the vacuum itself isn't very big. However, it is extremely powerful, as it says over here. You can see over here on the top you've got the brand, which is LG, and you've got the name of the vacuum itself, and you've just got the picture up there. Alright. So I don't have a box cutter, but I'll use my scissors to open up this box. Alright, so as you can see when we open it up, got another cardboard on top, which is just the covering for itself, and that's what it says. Alright, immediately as we can see now that I've opened the box, we have the actual attachments for the vacuum cleaner itself. So if we were to lift this up, actually there's two handles over here. Start off with this. You can see we have this attachment over here. We have another one here. I think that's where you connect it and you can attach it. It's kind of like that section. And we have another one as well for those hard to reach places. Alright. So now that we've opened the top and we've got the attachments, as you can see, it always comes with the standard, it's got a maintenance guide, as well as the maintenance of the instructions of how to clean and everything like that. And yeah, it's not in paper itself, so it is very strong material, so you can keep that there as well. It's got a suction on top, so if you want to just suction that on maybe the fridge or somewhere else close by, just so in case you do have to clean your vacuum cleaner. One of the important things as well is, obviously with using a vacuum cleaner, taking care of it is extremely important, because you do want your product to last quite some time, as well as it keeps it safe and hygienic for you if you're continually using it as well. Alright, as we can see, we have another, this is the owner's manual itself. It comes in a sealed bag, as well with a couple of other things in there as well. And I think there's a couple of screws, and I'm not too sure as to what this is, but maybe if we open it up in a bit, we'll get to see what that is. Alright, I'll put that to the side for now. Over here we do have the actual charging cable. So you plug that into the wall, obviously, and this will plug into the vacuum itself to charge it. Alright. And I can see underneath all of this wrap, it should be the charging station as well as the vacuum cleaner itself. So, alright, I don't know what this piece looks like, but I guess once we start setting everything up, it will put the pieces together and we'll get to know what this part of the box is actually. It could be the vacuum cleaner, or I'm pretty sure this looks like it's part of the charging station itself. then we have this cup over here. It looks like a filtration cup where you can just use that. You can wash it. So I'm pretty sure it's meant to collect maybe dust or particles. And then with the amount of tap symbols around, I'm pretty sure what it's saying is you can use it to clean and remove all that stuff around it. Alright, I'll put that to the side. And here we have one of the actual vacuum heads itself. It looks very interesting. With this head over here, it's not meant to actually go, it's not meant to roll. What it does, it kind of vibrates. So let's say if you want to vacuum something where, like a couch or something like that, because this part over here doesn't actually rotate, it doesn't catch all the hairs, it doesn't tangle up, but it's meant to kind of vibrate to remove all the dirt as well. So it's very unique and very interesting, and it is expected from a vacuum cleaner that is very well in the premium range. That goes to the side, and over here, as I can see, this looks like the actual battery pack of the charger of the vacuum cleaner. It's good that there's two vacuum cleaners. I mean, not two vacuum cleaners, two batteries to the vacuum cleaners. So essentially, you've got double the lifespan of the vacuum itself. And of course, if one's charging, one can be used, and it can alternate as well, which makes it very efficient. Alright, and you can see there's just a couple of holes in there, plus minus, and we'll just have a look at it soon. Let's see if I can. Yeah, and I'm pretty sure this is just to attach and detach it from the vacuum cleaner itself. Alright, so those are the batteries in itself. Put that to the side. Alright, let's see what else is in here. I'm gonna pull this up and away from the box. And as I can see, even after pulling this handle out, there's still more things within the bucket itself. But we'll get to it in a bit. Alright. Ah, yes. So here we have the handle part of the vacuum cleaner itself. Wow, that looks really nice. See, it looks like we have the actual filter to open and close it for when we clean. All that there. Yeah, there we go, we got that filter. So I'm pretty sure this is the extra filter that we use that collects all the dust and particles. This is just the lid, so to close it, just twist it over. What else do we have here? This is where the battery goes into. As you can see, it's just that. It's the same shape of the battery itself. And I'm assuming with those two holes over there in the battery, it connects and attaches from within the vacuum cleaner itself. There you go, as you can see, it fits perfectly. Alright, one thing that I've realized so far is that the actual handle of the vacuum cleaner itself is very easy and very nice to hold. So it's ergonomically designed so that, especially when you're vacuuming for long periods of time, that it's not meant to strain your wrists or your hands at all. So it's very nice, and I guess it's a bonus as well. Okay, as I can see up on here, we have the power button, and then we have, obviously I can see the plus and minus, so this has got to do with the change in settings for of course if you're just doing a light vacuum as opposed to doing a heavy strong vacuum. So it's got turbo mode, which means, as you can see there, it says plus 3 seconds, so if you hold that for 3 seconds, it goes into the turbo mode. I'm sure with the vacuum cleaner it comes in 3 settings, or if you're including the turbo, 4 settings within itself. On top over here, we have the battery life as well. So it's got 3 lights to indicate at what point the battery is at, and yeah, just very simple. And that's the handle itself. Just gonna go to the out of the box itself. This looks like part of the station as to where you charge the batteries. And over here, it looks as if you can attach all the other attachables. Like this one here. Let's see if that works. There we go. Like that. It's attachable. And you can detach it. You just press that, push that down, and it should cover it. And then you've got another one here as well, if you want to touch it. Or so. Or maybe not that one there. Actually, this one maybe. Yeah, anything with the button can be attached over there. There we go. And that will serve as the holder for the other attachments while they're not in use. Very nice. And then, let's see what we have here. This is the actual hole itself. This is the attachment that goes onto the vacuum cleaner, which extends, and this is where the dust and the particles and all that and all the dirt travel up to. Alright, and to attach it, it will attach just like that. Very simple. And wow, this is a very nice feature. This button over here, if it's pulled back, it enables the actual body part of the vacuum to extend, so in case it's needed for longer, for those hard to reach places as well.